Hey, you! Welcome back to the channel. And guys, today I'm excited to tell you about what you probably already heard about if you've been keeping up the news with Electroneum, and that is that the iOS application has been approved. That is right now, people who hold iOS devices can now use the Electroneum app. And so that's potentially now opening up uh, the possibility for many more users of Electroneum who have iOS devices, right? So the only setback is the Electroneum minor portion won't be included in the at this time. However, there is a plan to allow for cloud mining for the iOS users, and so just very exciting news, guys. It's going to help push Electroneum where it needs to be. Just been a great week, I think, for Electroneum. Um, we've had the switch back to ASIC miners, which seems to be the best plan possible. The price went up. A major exchange listing this month. Now the iOS application approval. So Electroneum price is still up. As I had said in earlier videos, I was very fortunate and very happy to be able to purchase quite a bit of Electroneum for under 1 cent, for under 1 penny. Now I believe it's somewhere around 1.3 to 1.5 cents, give or take. And I think that's all great. When it hits the exchange at the end of the month, a lot of us are expecting higher prices now that we have a more stable network as well. The fork went successful and everything is going great, guys. So if you haven't got involved in Electroneum yet, if your cryptocurrency portfolio didn't see over 60% gains this week, then guys, you have to pay attention to what's going on. Now, when I look at Electroneum, it just and I think of the cryptocurrency market, Electroneum just makes perfect sense to me. You got mass adoption. You got a great project, a great use case. You got the instant payment system. And so Electroneum's doing everything that I think is necessary for Electroneum to be a token with a really good use case, because let's face it, guys, you need a lot of people holding the tokens, finding value in the tokens. There are many altcoins that are coming up with various ways to and technology and things like that, and unfortunately, they don't have a lot of people using it. We're in this small pool, guys, and we're trading back and forth, and nobody sees anything wrong with that. We have to take a step back, look for coins that are out for mass adoption. Now, I think what's a setback for us in the cryptocurrency space is that we are too techy, right? We are so technology driven. We can't see the big picture. Uh, and I'll give you an example of what I mean. Many of us tend to think that if we create the best technology, something that's faster, something that's more efficient, that that will be enough. But does it really work that way all the time? Let's take a step back and look at what we got here. Now, if you look at Facebook, how many social networks have come on the scene since Facebook was created that are 10 times better than Facebook when it comes to the layout, the features, what it can do, uh, privacy. There's been a ton of social networks that have come on the scene that are technology wise better than Facebook, better built than Facebook, and look better than Facebook. Now, let's look at Bitcoins. There have been dozens of coins that have come after Bitcoins, cryptocurrencies that are far better than Bitcoins. Better system, better layout, and yet still Bitcoin dominates as the number one cryptocurrency. And so what what I'm trying to get to, guys, is that we need innovation, we need advances in technology, and we need all of this. But I just feel like this space is just far too focused on just technology without understanding human psychology, without understanding marketing, and we're at a disadvantage because we're just overrun with tech people, and I don't think they quite understand human psychology, right? I think they just want to build things, and we build it, you come. But it's not really working like that. Bitcoin has had 10 years already for mass adoption, and it's had a great story behind it, a story that uh, any gut marketer could have sold by now, in my opinion. And it hasn't been, because I think the space has been not only overrun by tech people, but only understood by them. Because the way that the technology works is it's very difficult for the average Joe to use it, right? It's only now with the Electroneum coming on the scene, and I would say some of these social network aspects of cryptocurrency, that it's becoming something that people can identify with and use properly, right? So, guys, we really, you guys who, maybe this is your first time looking at the channel, or maybe you watch the channel, but you're not involved in cryptocurrency, don't quite understand it, don't quite want to invest in it yet, get involved with Electroneum. You don't have to spend a dime. Download the app, you get free tokens, navigate your way around it, learn what cryptocurrency is about in a very user-friendly way by using the application. Feel free to ask us questions on the channel. If you have any confusion about cryptocurrency or the best way to go about it, we'll do our best to give you the best advice we can on how to go about that. But this is what we need to take a look at, guys. And even if you're running the Electroneum miner, and you're going, well, I'm getting a few tokens here or there, because it's pretty much all for a marketing campaign, right? So you might get 10 tokens a day or something or another. And at around 1.5 cents to 2 cents, that's only a couple of 20 cents a day or something like that, if that. But the thing is, guys, the cryptocurrency space, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin was once at 33 cents, and it was probably less than that. I think it's probably like 1 cent or something like that when it first came about. And so now something that was like 30 cents is has been as high as like $20,000, is predicted to go as high as 50,000 this year over a span of only 10 years. So, that's why you need to go ahead, download the Electroneum app, let your phone run, get some of these coins, get some of these tokens, get involved with the Electroneum community. Even if you don't have any money to invest, even if you don't quite understand it, but you're interested in this, you need to get involved. Now, for you guys who have been watching the channel, have been involved with Miko's coin, which is my own token that trades on the Waves decentralized exchange. Part of what we do is we do a lot of rebate bonus type features and functions. If you're a subscriber to the channel, go ahead, register with our site if you haven't already. There are over 1,000 subscribers to my channel, and although a lot of you have taken advantage of these offers, some of you still haven't. Let's not be the woulda, shoulda, coulda people who wish we could have gotten involved and didn't. If you've come across this channel, make sure you register with this site. I'm going to leave a link in the description, because you register, you start running the Electroneum miner application, you'll get free tokens, and as you use our referral code, we'll get a portion of that. You'll get a kickback in our Miko's Coin bonus tokens, and it'll be a cool, fun way to get extra money back. Now, you don't have to spend a dime. That's the beauty of it. All you have to do is take a moment of your time, register on our site. Go ahead and use our referral code and do those things, and you will be glad that you did. So guys, don't miss that. Don't let Electroneum be one of these tokens that's one day like one is like $300 or $3,000, and you're like, geez, I should have mined this. I should have did this while it was possible. Because with the Electroneum miner, as the value of Electroneum increases, my prediction is you're going to be mining less coins. There are going to be less tokens available to mine, as there already been X amount of tokens set aside for this application. So don't wait. Get involved today. Let's do that. Guys, I'm excited about all the news of Electroneum. Guys, if you like content like this, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. And until next time, take care.